Everyone has different needs when it comes to earbuds, so finding the best wireless earbuds can be tough. But depending on how you plan to use them, it's pretty easy to make the right choice. Whether you're into music, working out, or making calls, there's something for everyone. The 2025 wireless earbuds are truly making a difference with their tech innovations. In this video, I'll be checking out the top 5 wireless earbuds for your needs and showing you which one might be the best fit for you. Let's dive in. Number 5. Bose new QuietComfort earbuds. Bose's QuietComfort headphones have made a strong name for themselves in the wireless headphone world, offering an impressive option. While these headphones do an amazing job of noise cancellation without sacrificing sound quality, they're not as aggressive as the top-tier model, the QuietComfort Ultra headphones. Still, they provide an excellent middle ground for users. They stand out with their price per performance ratio and especially exceed expectations when it comes to battery life and charging options. Instead of going head-to-head with the Ultra model, Bose has chosen to stay at a more affordable price point, which sounds pretty good. At $179, they present a serious alternative to the AirPods 4, especially for iPhone users. So if your goal is top-notch sound quality and superior noise cancellation, the $299 Ultra model is still a great choice. However, if you're thinking about your budget and still want a premium experience, the QuietComfort headphones should definitely be on your list. Number 4. Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 Pro, the perfect choice for sound lovers. Hey music lovers, listen up. If you're looking for clear treble and deep bass, the Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 Pro might just be what you need. These buds are perfect for those who love a neutral sound, delivering strong bass and crisp treble for a great listening experience. The buds also come with a 9-band graphic EQ, so you can fine-tune the sound to your liking. But if you're not into messing around with settings and don't want that extra bass, none of the preset options will give you a perfectly balanced sound. Plus, if you want to experience 24-bit streaming quality, you'll need a Samsung device. So, if you're all about that powerful bass and customizable sound, the Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 Pro could be a great fit for you. Number 3. Sony WF-1000XM5. The Sony WF-1000XM5 headphones really take your sound experience to the next level. Right out of the box, you can feel the depth of the bass, while keeping the vocals and instruments clear without drowning them out. Every note you hear has this burst of energy and life, but at the same time, everything stays crystal clear. And if your sound preferences are a bit different, no worries. With the companion app, you can fine-tune the sound exactly how you like it using the graphic EQ and presets. And of course, the sound quality. The WF-1000XM5 supports LDAC, which means it delivers high-resolution audio streaming. It's not just about hearing the music, it's about feeling it. Every note, every background detail feels like you've stepped into another world. Both your music and sound experience are taken to a whole new level. So if you're looking to explore the depths of sound, the Sony WF-1000XM5 is definitely for you. Number 2. Technics EAH-AZ100. Technics EAH-AZ100, redefining perfection. If you're looking for a game-changing pair of earbuds, the Technics EAH-AZ100 might just be your perfect match. With its sleek design, superb comfort, and incredibly musical sound, this beauty stands out from the crowd. But here's the real kicker. It's not just about looks. These earbuds come packed with intuitive controls that make your listening experience smoother than ever. Battery life, more than enough for hours of non-stop music. Noise cancellation blocks out the world like a pro. Sound quality feels like you're in a live concert. If pure, powerful sound is what you're after, the Technics EAH-AZ100 won't disappoint. It's easily one of the best in its class, and once you try it, you'll know why. So what do you think? Does this one live up to the hype? Number 1. Apple AirPods 4, redefining your sound experience. Want to feel your music, not just hear it? The Apple AirPods 4 take your listening experience to a whole new level. With adaptive EQ, these earbuds automatically balance sound at any volume, keeping bass and treble in perfect harmony. You'll get deep, punchy bass and natural mids, making every beat come alive. The highs are a bit softer, so whether you like crisp vocals or a warmer sound depends on your preference. But here's the real game changer: personalized spatial audio. It creates an immersive 3D sound experience, adjusting dynamically with head tracking. While sound controls are a bit limited, you still get 3 EQ presets and accessibility settings to tweak the sound just the way you like. Bottom line, if you're in the Apple ecosystem and want comfort plus quality sound, AirPods 4 are a solid choice.